We are going to be coding up that gross pay calculator that we just talked about in the previous video. So we are going to start in the home controller, and we are going to add a little action method down here. Okay, so now that we have the action method, we are going to create the view. So I'm just going to right click, add view. In this case, the view name is fine. Make sure it is using the layout page and click on add. And for this one, guys, you are going to have to do all the typing. So I'm going to pause while I key all of this in. And then we will save the changes and test this. Okay, and the previous video does explain what is going on in this page. So make sure you watch that video so you understand what you're typing. All right, so I've keyed all of this in, and I'm going to go ahead and save it. And basically, in a nutshell, the way this works is total message is blanked out. First time this page displays, it's going to just display this simple little form. When we submit it, then is post is going to be true, and then it's going to basically go through and calculate the pay information, set that pay information to total message, and then it'll dynamically update. So let's go ahead and run this. And this should work because our controller has gross pay calculator. It's going to route to here. And let's see, hours worked. So if you're really going to test this, you do want to test with less than 40, 40, and greater than 40. In fact, I'll do 50. And we'll make this easy to figure out. So let's calculate. Yep, that looks right. And then let's see if we can do another one. Okay, so that worked as well. And let's do a final one. Okay, all looks good.